Hi, welcome to US Decals. We are the leaders in US DOT truck lettering and now the leaders in truck compliance for your transportation company. In this video, we're going to talk about placards. Stick around. Placard labels are signs used in transportation to communicate the hazards of chemicals inside. They inform and warn that they are in the presence of hazards while they are driving or near large quantities of such chemical. They inform emergency responders of what materials are involved in the accident. Displaying your placards correctly is a requirement by the United States FMCSA. Placards are mandatory for any load that is more than 1,001 pounds. You are required to have 4 placards for each type of hazmat. They need to be displayed on each side of the trailer, box, or tanker. 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the rear. If you need to display more than 1 placard, they could be next to each other, but they must never overlap. Also, placards cannot be next to any other lettering or marking. Also, they can't be near a mechanical device such as a door handle. Make sure that your placards are displayed in a nice, clean area with no other marking so they could be up to DOT standards. Once your delivery has been made, remove the placards from the trailer. If a trailer is empty, there must be no placards on it. Please remember that no food or drink is allowed on a trailer with hazmat. Remember, you must display 4 placards for each type of hazmat. 1 up front, 1 in the rear, 1 on each side. There are 9 classes of hazardous materials placards. Class 1 is explosive, and the placard looks something like this. Class 2 of the placards is gases and looks something like this. Class 3 is flammable liquids. Class 4 is flammable solids. Class 5 is oxidizer and organic peroxide. Class 6 is poison toxic. Class 7 is radioactive. Class 8 is corrosive. Class 9 is miscellaneous. If you have any questions, send us a message, leave a comment, share this video, like this video, and send this video to a new trucker. Shop our website for the best DOT placards online. Stay compliant.